Here's the bear. Oh man, I'm up. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was it? What the? Is that you? Calm the fuck down. I'm trying to go back to sleep. Damn it. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Damn it. Pour some water down your goddamn throat, or else I'll pour some water down your throat myself.
No, you won't, Teddy.
God damn it. Shit. Stop burping on my head.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Damn. Can you let go of me?
No.
Damn it.
I'm gonna go get some water and see if it helps.
Yeah, you should. Damn it. She's gone. She's gone. Maybe now I could rest my eyes and go to sleep now. Yep, just gonna try to close my eyes and think happy thoughts that are very rare in this world. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Oh, fuck. What the hell are you doing back here? Did you get a drink of water?
I'm drinking some right now. Look, it's some water.
That better be enough. I'm gonna kick your white ass. Did it work? What the fuck do you mean you don't know? Damn it! Get the fuck out of here!
Out of here?
Yes, get the fuck out of my house.
It's not your house, it's my house.
I don't give a shit.
I will put you in that corner and spank your butt.
I'll spank your butt. Your butt is gonna be as white as my blue ribbon, as my red ribbon right here.
Don't you mean as red as your red ribbon?
Oh fuck you! I'm tired.
Are you sure? Last night you just went to sleep.
Look, I'm very fucking pale right now. I need to go to sleep.
That's the way I bought you.
Oh, so you're oh fuck you.
Maybe some water will do you some good.
Bitch. Man.
None came out.
Yeah, that's what she said. You better not have any more hiccups either. Well, I haven't heard in a while, so I guess oh shit! You're fucking kidding me, aren't you? Are you fucking kidding me?
No.
Get the fuck out of here. You're ruining my fucking life. I wish you never fucking bought me. Damn it. I'm gonna try to go to sleep now. Bitch. Now that she's gone. Now I'm gonna try to go to fucking sleep. Hopefully that little psycho bitch with hiccups won't bother me again. Now let's try this all over again and hopefully it won't get interrupted. Ah, shit, get off me. Get off my ear. Get off my face. Get off my fucking, get off of me now. Damn it, you just fucking hiccups on me? Get the hell out of it. Get off of me. Stop leaning on me, damn it. What the fuck am I? Get off of me.
What is your problem? When I first bought you, you were just a little baby tough thing.
Stop squeezing me.
You were such a good boy.
Stop shaking me. Ow, fuck you, bitch.
Don't talk to me that way.
Fuck you. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
I'm gonna bring you to church, and maybe you'll...
Just as long as your fucking hiccups are away. Ow, fuck. Shit. Ow, fuck. Fuck. Oh, shit. Stop with the damn hiccups.
They will.
Ah, shit. Damn it. Just put me to bed. Put me to fucking bed. Oh, no, not the damn corner. No. Ow, fuck you. Fuck.
I've always liked you, boy.
I can see you in the damn mirror.
I've always liked you.
I still fucking see you. Bitch.
Are you talking to me? No, that's you.
Dumbass.
You're such a good boy.
Bitch, I love you.
Shut up!
Ow. Asshole. Ow. Damn it, ow. What the fuck's your problem?
Stop.
Just put me to bed. My ass hurts like jello. Ow. Now my face hurts. Just put me to bed, damn it.
No.
Put me to fucking bed.
Nope.
Put me to bed.
Nope.
I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
No, you won't.
Look, I'm really tired. I ate a lot. Now I'm stuffed. Now let me go to bed.
Well, of course.
Ah, shit. Damn it. Stop squeezing my damn ear. Let the fuck off me. Get fuck. Shit. Shit.
Oh, look, my hiccups came back.
God damn it. Damn it. Shit. Ow. Fuck, I am going to bed. Put me in damn bed. Put me in bed.
No.
Put me in bed.
No.
Put me in bed.
No, don't you up there. No.
Put me in bed. Thank you. Damn.
God.
Shit. Fucking bitch, my ass still hurts like shit. Thank you, you asshole.
Don't call me that. I'm putting you to bed.
Damn it.
Say your prayers.
What the hell, you threatening me now?
Say your
Ow, damn it.
Say them.
My prayers, the end. And down.
Say them.
Ow, fuck.
Say them.
You know what? Good night.